We're tracking the aftermath of that massive storm that hit the Bay Area. These pictures, you think they're from Kansas, they are from Scotts Valley down in Santa Cruz County. 2 days after a Category EF1 tornado struck the mountain community, flipping cars over, sending people to the hospital. EF1, by the way, means winds of at least 90 miles per hour. We were one of the first crews on the scene down there and been tracking this closely since it hit. Now tonight, the locals, of course, still buzzing about this wild weather, very rare weather. And of course, the damage done. Video showing a home where a roof was torn off. NBC Bay Area's Damian Trujillo spoke with the family of one of the tornado victims. He's in Scotts Valley with the very latest. Damian.
Well, Terry, I'm told that some of the victims are still understandably in shock after all of this. But other than that, not a lot of other damage here. I'm in downtown Scotts Valley, and the buildings are intact. Only just a few of these pine branches that are scattered throughout some of these parking lots, but nothing more than that. Now, these folks up here have been through fires and floods and earthquakes, but never a tornado until now. The locals say it was like a scene out of Hollywood. Cars flipped over by an unexpected, powerful tornado, touching down in a very unexpected place with virtually no warning.
It's been shocking and hectic here in Scotts Valley. No one expects a tornado to come through a mountain town.
The Scotts Valley city manager is thankful no one was killed, and she says her community was very lucky on Saturday.
The fact that it followed right through Mount Herman Road at a busy holiday shopping time, I think we all just feel fortunate that it didn't hit one of the shopping centers where there were so many customers and people working.
I spoke with the husband of the driver of the silver Mercedes that the tornado flipped over. Off camera, he told me his wife was rushed to Valley Medical Center where she was treated and released. Tonight, she's resting at home in Scotts Valley.
Capitán de Bomberos para CAL FIRE.
We're also told that CAL FIRE Battalion Chief Manny Garcia is doing well tonight. This is him in 2022 giving updates on a local fire. Garcia is a safety officer for CAL FIRE. The tornado also flipped over his truck on Mount Herman Road.
I think we just all have to be prepared for anything. In this time of climate change and extreme weather events, we just have to be ready.
Scotts Valley Middle School opened this morning despite this huge tree crashing down on the campus in the weekend storm. Today, debris still littered parts of Mount Herman Road as crews work to repair the street lights. The locals still can't believe it.
Oh yeah, I am in shock, but luckily I live in Boulder Creek.
It's like, you've got to be kidding me. So, yeah, it's really interesting. I thought a tornado in California, or I couldn't believe it.
Others took it in stride.
Things happen, you just never know.
A little shocking, though?
No, not really. Just different, unusual.
The mayor says he's not sure warning sirens are in the future for Scotts Valley, but city leaders say they'd like some sort of warning so they can better protect their citizens. And I just heard from Scotts Valley Police. They tell me that the last victim remains in the hospital still. Their car did flip over and were rescued by Good Samaritans until the first responders arrived. That person suffered broken ribs and a collapsed lung, but is expected to be okay. Also, Scotts Valley is missing about 11 street signs. The wind blew them off, blew them away. No one knows where they landed, so now those need to be replaced. We're live in Scotts Valley. I'm Damian Trujillo, NBC Bay Area News.